Hey everybody. I'm Trucker Matt. This here is Riffenberg Lumber. This video is sponsored by Riffenberg Lumber. Say we're in the basement. Oh, there's concrete. Come on, concrete. That's the concrete. This seems like a reasonable spot to pull this building out. That was easier than I thought. The building is over. And it came the right way. That's where I want you. Oh, that's a nice building. Oh, yeah. Come here, Gomer. Gomer, the toothy bucket. Down the house. That's where I wanted it, over by the truck. Man, that worked way cooler than I thought. The main bulk of L structure. Lattice. I'd hate to see it go, but I'd love to watch it leave. Get out of here, lattice. We dropped our lattice. We got some dirt. You guys can keep the dirt. Ooh. That's not concrete. Falling through the basement again. Anyways, this is TruckerMatt. I don't know if this has been instructional or not, but this is Riffenberg Lumber, and I know I got the hot one. Whether you're enjoying a hot one or a cold one or a dusty hot one, go out there and tear something down for the Lord today. God bless.